Welcome back to my channel. But yeah, let me just share my meal prepping routine, and anyone can implement this into their lives. I'm giving you the template, like it's here. Or you can get the delivery meal service things, but I'm just giving you this, so you can't say I didn't know on Judgment Day. So yeah, let's begin. Number one, what do I do? So I'm looking for 2 yummy recipes. Where do I find it? Either on Nutritioniste. I don't know who that girl is, but I'm just gonna advertise her for free because apparently she can cook really well. Yeah, you can find her recipes or other people's recipes, or like I shared before in another video, most grocery stores has their own cooking booklet things. I really like Ocado's ones. Yeah, Ocado's ones have some nice, like, cute recipes in them. Tesco's, all of the shops really. Pinterest or Instagram, YouTube, anywhere. I've used these examples before, but I'm just going to use it again. Curry and bolognese, simple as. I write down the ingredients, so I'm going to get a piece of paper or whatever. I like to use my notes on iPhone. The ingredients for a curry is usually tomatoes, or you can use tomato puree, onions, a lot of onions, whole herbs and spices, or ground spices, all those packet things. One brand that's so Patax, yeah, oh, their stuff is yummy. And then I will check the stores online. You can check online now the prices and stuff just to see which is cheaper, because there's no point in me spending so much for the same thing when I could get it somewhere cheaper. You get what I'm saying? So I'm going to get enough because it's going to last me for 3 days. So I have enough during the week. And the thing is, you don't have to do it twice a week. You can do it 3 times if you have extra time. Because I do understand that there's some people that don't like to eat the same dish more than twice or even more than once, but that's not meal prepping then. That means you have to cook every day. Okay, so the days that I cook is Wednesdays and Sundays, but sometimes I can change that around and make it fun. You put on some music, put on your little apron. And another tip, so you don't have to do so many dishes, is once I finish cooking it in whatever it is, for instance, if it's in a big pot, I just leave it in the pot, let it cool, and I put it in the fridge. No need to put it in containers and stuff. That's more dishes for yourself, darling. Do you want to fatigue yourself? And to make it less boring the next days, I like to swap what I'm eating it with. So Wednesday, for instance, I'll have it with rice. So switch it up, make it fun. It don't have to be boring. Whatever you fancy, you can have it with. These are just examples, like naan bread, roasted vegetables, sweet potatoes, plantains. And you can be creative with it as well. I can turn the bolognese into like a Subway type of baguette thing with cheese and stuff. Turn it into a pizza, put the bolognese as the base, cheese on top. I can put the curry into like taco shells or something and have like a nice coleslaw with it. Okay, yeah, I'm going off on a tangent, but let's talk about Saturdays now. Saturdays is like a chill day, frozen food. Or I eat out. Like, I've started to eat out. There's some places where you can actually eat healthy foods outside now. They have healthy alternatives, or you can talk to the chef. And the chef can actually make you something that's not on the menu. I don't even know that that is actually possible. Oh my goodness. Let me conclude this video by ending it with the essential ingredients that should really be in your house, in your pantries or whatever you call it, your cabinets, your freezer, your cabinets and stuff. And that's it, to be honest. No dilly dalla, higgy haga, higgledy piggledy stress. It's just so easy.